Here I have REALME C31, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So first let's open camera, then tap on this icon here, open camera, while using the app, allow, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as your camera spots it, it proposes you to open the link, encode it to this code, and here you have this page. So yeah, that's how you can scan QR codes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.